Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? In the digital age, cryptocurrency has become a buzzword that's sparking curiosity worldwide. It's a digital or virtual form of currency, secured with cryptography, a method of protecting information through complex codes. What makes cryptocurrency unique? It's decentralized, not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it operates on an ingenious technology called blockchain. Sounds complex? Stay with me as we unravel the mystery of cryptocurrency. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, born in 2009. The brainchild of an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin emerged as a revolutionary concept that promised to change the financial world. Bitcoin was more than just a digital currency. It was a disruptive technology that introduced the idea of a decentralized, peer-to-peer network. In this ingenious system, transactions are not administered by a central authority, but by a network of computers, or nodes. These nodes verify transactions through cryptography, adding an extra layer of security and anonymity. This decentralization meant that Bitcoin was immune to government interference and manipulation, a feature that appealed to many. But Bitcoin was just the beginning. Since its inception, the crypto space has exploded with innovation, giving birth to thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique functions and specifications. These altcoins, as they're colloquially known, continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of finance. So, you might wonder, what makes cryptocurrency so special? Cryptocurrency brings a host of advantages that traditional currencies can't match. To start with, it's decentralized. This means it doesn't rely on central banks or governments, but on the users themselves. Transactions are secured through cryptography, offering enhanced privacy and security. Then, there's the speed. Crypto transactions are lightning fast and aren't bound by geographical locations. Whether you're in New York or New Delhi, you can send and receive cryptocurrency in a matter of minutes. Plus, it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection, breaking down financial barriers worldwide. But let's not forget the potential for high returns. Those who've invested wisely in cryptocurrency have seen their wealth skyrocket. Of course, there are risks. The market is volatile and regulatory issues are ever present. But isn't that the case with any investment? Cryptocurrency then could be the future of finance, a digital revolution changing the way we handle money.